Hello guys, welcome to our new video. And in this video, we will discuss about how we're gonna implement the try data structure code. As I explained you about the try data structure in my previous video, and in this video, I will show you how we're gonna create a code for C++. So as you know, simple. It's you just need to make a node, which is just make a class which is try node, and then we make a node which call try node, and it consists of it takes like 26 pointers because English lowercase abc has 26 characters when we have this bool flag. And then we have constructor for try node, that's our constructor. And then we define is and is equal to, by default all the values is false, all the flags, and all the children's has null pointer. Okay, and now we just make a root pointer on a node, root node. And then in public you will see we just make a root is equal to new try node, and we make a new node. So let's suppose we have one node which is root node. Okay, we call it root node. And then let's suppose we have a character. If you want to insert a code, by watching this code you will see for insert a code we have to make a node and make this node is equal to root. So what we did is we make a new node and which points to the root node. Okay, so now for character c, and we have a word which we bring from the you can say we can take that from the main class. See user enter cat. Okay, so let's suppose user enter cat, and then user enter cat here. Okay, so first we will take c in this code, and then index c is equal to minus a. So what we did is we take an index of c. So as you know, like abc starts from lowercase abc starts from 95, right? And then you will see the c index, we will get the index of c. So 95, 96, 97, or maybe I guess 97. It starts from 97. Sorry, my bad. So the lower ab key, ASCII value is, if we pull up the ASCII table really quick to check what's the ASCII value of lowercase abc. Okay, yeah, it's 97. So let's suppose if we get an index of c minus a, we got index of 99. Okay, and now it will check if node children, which is null ptr right now, and which is right, which is null ptr, then make a try node. And then you will see I make a node already and insert c because we want to store cat. And then after for loop, it just node is equal to node children. So now our node is presenting over here. Okay, and at the end we will mark this true, but right now we are is still in the for loop. So now we are pointing in the c, and now next word is a. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go make a new node, insert a here, and then next node now pointing to a, and then we will make a new node and then insert t. Okay, so now that's our root node, that's our root node. So now we store cat. Okay, and at the end we make it true. So this is true. Okay, that's mean it's a valid word in this trie data structure. And now let's suppose we have to insert a new word which is car. Okay, now what it gonna do? It will again go to insert. Now node is equal to root, which is here. Now take C. Okay, so now when you take C, it will see index is not equal to none ptr. Okay, that's mean if loop if loop doesn't when you check the index is null ptr, which is wrong, right? So we cannot make a new node. We go here and then we will put here. Okay, we already have a C, right? It's gonna be same, so we don't need to make a new node. If the character is different, this condition will change and we have to make a new node because we have a null ptr over there with the C value. Again, a for a it will check the a value which is 97, and 97 is equal to null ptr. No, it has the value. It will go to here. Okay, now when you go here, you will see it will check is the value are r, right? The string is car r. This is cat, and now we are inserting car. Okay, so now when we it will take value which is c minus 1 minus a. So when we take the value of r and take the index, it's not null. That's mean the string has a different, it doesn't has a t. Okay, so it satisfy the loop. We will make a new node from here, from a. Okay, and then we will insert r here and then mark it complete. Okay, so this is how we mark complete. Sorry, just log off. Okay, so now it's complete. So this is how you're gonna make a new string, like make a new, insert a new string into the root, into the trie data structure. For example, if the string starts from t, it will make a node from here, not from here. Okay, I hope you guys understand. And then we have another function which is search. Search is quite easy. So you just need to, for example, we need to search for cat. It will take the value of c, and if the node null is equal to ptr, which is not, it's gonna say false. And if it will run through all the entire this try data structure till end, if it's valid, at the end it will return this value which is true. If not, it will return false. So search is quite easy. Let's see what we are searching. Okay, so we are searching cat, as I you know it's written true. And if we search for cap, so what it will search till here, and then when it search for p, you will find null ptr and it will return false. So it's quite easy. And then we have start with function. Start with function is basically a given prefix, so we are not considered like we are just, if for example if we search with cat, we just want to search c. If c satisfy the condition, that's mean the first letter satisfy the condition, it will return. So we just need to check first element, and then uh, you know the if it's true, then we don't need to consider a and t, and we return true. Otherwise, we return false. And delete, for delete, you just, for example, if you want to delete a cat, what you're gonna do, just mark it false. Okay, so now when someone search cat, it will go C, then A, and then it will not find T over here. When we search, it will find false. So it will return false, like cat is not exist in a tree. Still is exist in the tree, but it changes to the false. So it's quite easy. So Trie Data search is quite easy. As you know, it's used for multiple purposes, like um, when you trying to make a autocorrect in your website, or if you want to check spell checker, IP tracing. So I hope you guys understand, and just stay tuned for more informative videos. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.